firstly, I mean, just दिख ही रहा है पीछे कि आप खतरों के खिलाड़ी के लिए full ready हो with being that fearless and power packed girl, no? So I really wanted to know, firstly, what made you say yes to the show, and how this entire onboarding happened.
I think I wanted to break the monotony of my career that I only do fiction. I do not do non-fiction. And before this, I never even thought of doing Khatro. I never even attempted that I would like, or even said it out loud to anybody that I want to do Khatro. But this time when it came to me, it was an instant yes.
Right. So also when we talk about Khatron Ke Khiladi, right?
Mhm.
It's been going on and on for years, right? So when we मतलब कुछ ऐसे participants हो जाते हैं जो बहुत कम याद रहते हैं, कुछ बहुत कम participants याद रहते हैं और कुछ तो याद ही नहीं रहते.
हाँ.
If since you're there, I mean इतने सालों के show पे आप आए हो, तो
Right.
what is that thing that you will get on board apart from facing your fears?
I think I'll get to come out of my zone where I don't go out, I don't meet people. Like, even after being in the industry and working in the industry for these many years, uh, I have like 12 contemporaries. I do not know anybody in person or even had a conversation with them before the show. So that is one thing that I think I will get to do it on the show. I'll get to talk to new people. I'll have a different schedule. I'll have a different routine. My routine has been the same for so many years. Like, I get up in the morning, go to work, and then come back in the night. I don't do stunts in during the day. I just shoot. So I think there are many things apart from stunts that I will be doing in the show.
Right. And have you followed any of the season? And if yes, who has been your Top Gear favorite?
I got done watching season 14th, I think last night or so. And my favorite from that season was Kashmir.
Okay.
I thought that he was such an underdog. Like, he was calm. He was not the loudest person in the room. Definitely not the loudest person at all. But his performances, the way he would perform in the stunt, they were absolutely amazing to watch.
Right. In this show, it is all about facing your fears, right? What is that one fear that makes you petrified?
Heights do that to me. Like, I freeze when I'm like a particular height super. But apart from heights, I feel there is one more fear that I have, that is the electric shock stunt, because I do not know the intensity. I have never ever experienced it, nor do I wish to experience electric shocks in real life. But during the show, if I am put in a stunt where I have to bear it, I will do well, I hope. I'm just trying to convince myself that it's all safe, it's all good, it's just a part of the stunt. Do it, get it over with, simple.
Right, right. Like I've been following Kyuki both seasons. First wala bhi aur ab to yahi definitely. So, and I genuinely, as much as I disliked your character, I started to really like it as well towards the latter part of the show. And the character in person was doing really great, really good. I mean, it was one of the top faces on the show, right? So, don't you think this is a risk altogether? Like leaving a prime time show where who's ruling the roost,
Yeah.
and then suddenly switching to a reality show where it's again from the scratch,
Yeah.
right? Do you think this is kind of a risk, and if yes, then why?
No, I don't think of doing I don't think that taking Khatro was a khatra at all in that sense. In fact, Kyuki, I feel Khatro happened because of Kyuki only. So I can't take that away from the show. And it happened because the cast, the crew, the members of the show, the creatives, the team, everybody was so supportive of me doing the show. So if anything, they all want me to win. And I'm just going for some time. It's not like I've quit the show or anything. So, no, the point of view that you are asking me, when I was said generally, I did not think only from that point of view. For me, it was like that I'm going somewhere and I will join whenever needed.
Right, absolutely. Also, आप खतरों के खिलाड़ी कर रहे हो और रियल लाइफ खतरों के खिलाड़ी से तो आप काम ही कर रहे थे जो देश में बहुत ही actively involved है. I wanted to know that firstly, did you get a chance to tell her that you're going, and what was the camera reel like?
Yeah, I told ma'am that I'm going, and she was like, "Be very careful, do well, and हम लोगों का नाम बचा लेना." So I think that was very sweet, very very sweet.
राइट राइट एंड अभी जो ensemble है वो खतरों के खिलाड़ी, राइट? सो इसमें से आपकी सबसे ज्यादा किससे बात हुई है भी या नहीं? एंड एज यू सेड दैट यू आर एन इंट्रोवर्ट, वैसे देखा
No,
जाए
no, no.
so
I'm not an introvert at all, but it's just I do not like meeting new people. I'm not an introvert. If I'm put in a room with people, I will talk to them. But will I talk to them if I'm not in the room and if it's my free will? No, I will probably talk to people I already know and they know my story and I can just crack lame jokes with them. I'll rather talk to them. Uh, Coming back to your question, I had conversation, like brief conversation with Ritvik. I had one line conversation with Jasmine and very brief conversation again with Karan Rahi, and that's about it. Ori and I were talking during the press conference or the bites because he was like, "Can you translate what did this say? I do not understand." I was like, "This is what they're saying. You're good." So yeah,
right,
that's
right.
it. Nothing much.
Right. And also talking about sharing the screen space with Rohit Shetty now, right? I mean, हम industry join करने से पहले से वो है इस industry में doing wonders. So I wanted to know that firstly, are you nervous, and is that a big nervousness point for you more than the show itself?
No, actually, I'm not nervous meeting Rohit sir. I'm very excited to meet him because I really like him as a person. I have seen his films, I've seen him on screen, and my sister had a chance of meeting him briefly at a movie premiere or something. So she told me that he's a very warm person, he's very humble. So I'm also looking forward to it. And he really motivates the people who go for the stunt. Even when they feel like giving up, he's always cheering them on. He's telling them what to do, what not to do. So I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to it actually.
राइट एब्सोल्युटली एंड यू नो जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि खतरों के खिलाड़ी ये जो शो है, ठीक है, वो आपने यू साइन फॉर इट, यू कम ऑन बोर्ड, राइट? ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड वी सीन कि क्या एक्टिविटीज यूजुअली होते हैं वो, बट इन रियल लाइफ खतरा लेना भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट हाइट्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट टेकिंग रिस्क्स इन लाइफ, राइट? सो इफ ऑडियंसेस को आप बताना चाहोगे कि शगुन ने ऐसा क्या रिस्क लिया है लाइफ में दैट हैज made her a better person or probably has not worked for her, if you could. I know acting करना ही बहुत रिस्क का
Yeah.
काम है,
Yeah.
but with this career is definitely very unpredictable.
Yeah, definitely. It's very, very unpredictable. Or, yeah, I think acting career was one risk that paid off well. Second one was during the shoot of Tu Ashiki, which was on Colors only. I was actually trying to get into singing and it did not pan out. So that was a risk I was willing to take, but it did not work out well.
Okay, you know,
Yeah.
talking about fictional shows, right? What happens is a lot, मतलब कुछ scenes and कुछ scripts तो they're done till death. वही रोना, वही ऐसे audiences के comments आते हैं, right? But how do you look at it as an actor? Like when आपके पास जब स्क्रिप्ट आते हैं और जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा रोना है, बहुत ज्यादा ग्लिसरीन है, या कभी कोई बिना ग्लिसरीन के ही आ जाता होगा मसल मेमोरी से, बट आई रियली वांटेड टू नो दैट व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट सर्टेन वियर्ड सीन्स आल्सो जो अपने जीसीज में चलते हैं, एंड without taking names, how would you basically react to such shows and such scenes जो social media में basically trend नहीं करते, कुछ weird
As
scenes
audience or as an actor?
no, as an actor, audience perspective, you know.
As an actor, so मैंने खुद भी अपनी लाइफ में फेयर शेयर ऑफ वियर्ड सीन्स कर रखे हैं अब तो. सो आई शुड नॉट बी सेइंग कि ये करो नहीं करो. व्हाट आई बिलीव इज कि एक एक्टर का काम है जो स्क्रिप्ट लिखा है वो करो and make it as believable as possible. That is the only thing you can do. If you start finding flaws in the script, you will find flaws in everything. So and that then you will have a very hard time on set. So the best thing is ki script padho, do your lines properly, get into the character, get into the mood, and no matter what the scene requires, just do it. Give it your 100%. And believe me, like even when you're doing the bizarrest scene possible, if you do it with conviction, audience will buy it. Yeah.
Right. And one last question, tomorrow's Mother's Day, right? So I wanted to know that usually हम अपनी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में we tend to take our mothers especially the most. I think relation जो हम बहुत ज़्यादा taken for granted is of a mother, right? So I wanted to know that आप Mother's Day पे अपने fans के लिए क्या कहना चाहोगे, जो especially fan section जो moms को belong करता है, that category.
ओके, पहली चीज़ तो मैं अपने घर का बता देती हूँ. मेरे घर में द ओनली पर्सन हु इज नॉट टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड इज माई मदर. हम लोग पापा को पक्का, my dad, I think we do take him little bit for granted. My mom, we do not take her for granted. So to all the moms out there, if you think your kids are taking you for granted, celebrate Children's Day without them. Gift yourself something. And if you think they're taking Mother's Day for granted, then you take them out, make them pay huge bills, and then just celebrate it on your own. But jokes apart, I feel moms and fathers are the reason that we are here, and you are living a comfortable life because of your parents, and they do everything in their power to make your life comfortable, to make you happy. So please do not take them for granted. And just because Mother's Day is celebrated once a year doesn't mean ki entire you'll not treat them that special. I think parents deserve to be treated special every day of the year.
Right. And one last question एकदम से याद आया. So just wanted to know that when you were offered Kyuki, right? So firstly, had you seen Kyuki का first season? What was the माहौल when जब आपको आपके घर पे पता चला that you are getting on board for the second season of one of the top shows ever?
I can tell you a story of when I was offered खतरों के खिलाड़ी डर का नया दौर, कि मेरा रिएक्शन क्या था, मेरे पेरेंट्स का रिएक्शन क्या था.
We can go ahead with that as well.
So when I was offered खतरों, मेरा पहला रिएक्शन ये था कि लाइक करना है मुझे यार, आई वांट टू डू इट. एंड देन आई थॉट कि यार मैंने हाँ तो बोल दिया, बट एम आई इवन मेंटली और फिजिकली रेडी? एंड ऑनेस्टली आई वाज नॉट. डेफिनेटली आई वाज नॉट रेडी. तो मैंने क्लासेस वगैरह लेना शुरू कर दिया, कैलिस्थेनिक्स करना शुरू कर दिया, स्विमिंग रेगुलर कर लिया. एंड व्हेन आई साइन द शो, दैट इज़ व्हेन आई टोल्ड माई पेरेंट्स. और साइनिंग मेरा आई थिंक बात शुरू होने के कुछ 25 दिन 30 दिन के बाद हुआ था, या इवन उससे भी ज़्यादा टाइम लगा था. So that's when I told my parents about it, and they were very nervous. They were more nervous than I was, and उनकी वजह से मेरी nervousness बढ़ गई कि अरे यार मतलब इनको बिल्कुल भरोसा नहीं है मेरे पे लगता है. But then I calmed them down and I said कि it's all ऐसे safety में किया जाता है, कुछ भी डरने की बात नहीं है. And then they were also very happy. So खतरों happened एकदम से, like होता है ना when you are just so थोड़ा सा you want something in life, थोड़ा spice चाहिए, कुछ चाहिए, so this happened.